Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and His Son Yahushua Mashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo. Today is the
Absorption
2nd of
sellers
February
NQ.
2024. It's 9:27 a.m. and I'm gonna record the open. We're opening here just above some of my target areas to take a long. And am I gonna take a short though if it breaks down? I'm not
Yes,
too
order
keen to
book
take a
imbalance
short anywhere
40%.
above
Absorption
Camarilla
RTY.
S3. So let's see how this works out here today. The US dollar is strong, so that might create some weakness in the ES. Let's see if this gets some continuation to the upside. All right, let's see if that moves up. If that moves up, then the ES is probably going to continue moving down. So right now we have some stoppage here, but the US dollar is looking like it's on a tear to the upside. So let's see. Let's take a look at Trader Map Pro. The liquidity here supporting is 49.20. That's that long-term liquidity right there. See, we approximately got 50 seconds to go before we open. See, we're getting this reversal pattern here. Right, so we had this sideways movement going on here. We came back down and we tested these lows at 49.26. So let's see if we're gonna reverse off of that level. I might jump in a buy at around 49.32.
RTY stop run. Absorption buyers NQ. RTY stop
I'm
run.
taking an entry right there.
Yes, order book imbalance 40%. Absorption buyers NQ. Sweep NQ. Absorption buyers ES. Absorption sellers NQ. ES order book imbalance 40%. Absorption buyers ES. ES stop run. ES stop run. ES stop run. Sweep ES. Sweep NQ. Stops YM. Sweep ES. Absorption buyers ES. Absorption RTY. Sweep RTY. Iceberg RTY Thunder Flurry. Sweep ES. Sweep ES. Sweep NQ. ES stop run. Absorption sellers ES. Sweep ES. Absorption buyers ES. NQ stop run. Sweep NQ. Absorption sellers NQ. Absorption buyers NQ.
All right, so I took a buy right there at 49.32.25. Right now we at 49.35.50. Let's see if we're gonna get some support there. My stop is at 49.28.25.
Iceberg RTY Thunder Flurry. Sweep NQ. Absorption sellers ES. Sweep ES. Sweep NQ. Absorption sellers
So I close my
NQ.
position
Absorption
when we
sellers
started pulling back
NQ.
here.
NQ stop run. ES stop run. NQ stop run. ES stop run. Sweep NQ. ES stop run. Absorption RTY. Absorption buyers NQ. ES stop run. NQ stop run.
All right, so it's looking
Absorption
like sellers
buyers
are
ES.
taking control here again.
YM Iceberg Thunder Flurry. Absorption sellers NQ. ES stop run. Sweep NQ. Absorption sellers NQ. Absorption sellers NQ. NQ stop run. Sweep NQ.
All right, we have support and liquidity at 49.2550, so that's at the central pivot range. Let's see if we're gonna get some support down there. And if you look over here, that's where the TC is, the
Absorption
pivot
sellers
TC at
NQ.
49.25.
Sweep NQ. NQ stop run. Sweep ES. Sweep RTY. Sweep NQ. Absorption buyers NQ.
I might jump back in here if we hold support above this lower deviation band at 49.29. Right there at yesterday's close. So let's see on the next 5-minute candle if we stay above this level. I could probably look for another buy.
Sweep NQ. Absorption sellers NQ.
Alright, so we're creating something like a higher low right here
Absorption RTY.
at 49.31.75. Let's see if we could hold this level here, build out some auction right there.
Sweep NQ.
Alright, so I'm
Absorption
going
buyers
long right
NQ.
now.
ES stop run. Sweep ES. ES stop run. Iceberg RTY Thunder Flurry. Sweep NQ. Absorption sellers NQ. Sweep ES. Sweep NQ. Absorption buyers NQ. NQ stop run. Iceberg
Alright, we
RTY
came
Thunder
back down
Flurry.
here. We're testing this higher low.
Sweep
Let's
RTY.
see if we get some support there. Alright, buyers taking it up,
Absorption
but not
buyers
too
NQ.
strong. You see
Sweep
how those
NQ. NQ
wait, let me
stop
go over to
run.
bookmap. Right, so we
Sweep
tested
NQ.
this lower high,
Sweep ES.
this higher low,
Absorption
sorry,
buyers NQ.
right here at
Absorption buyers ES.
49.31.50.
ES stop
Now
run.
we're back up at VWAP. Let's see if we could get some more buying. This buying here was kind of weak. You see how those bubbles are kind
Absorption
of
buyers
small.
NQ.
Now we got the big buyer right there. Let's see if we could push out above 49.36 above VWAP. Alright, we got solid buying in here. More buying
Sweep
than
NQ.
selling.
Absorption
But we
buyers
gotta move
NQ.
up though. Because if you see a lot of clusters of buying with no movement, that means that sellers
Sweep
are absorbing
NQ.
that
Absorption
price
sellers
action.
NQ. NQ stop run.
Yeah, I'm not liking how that's looking right now.
NQ stop
I might
run.
bail on
Order
this.
fi-
So
order
I'm gonna bail
filled.
on that trade right there. Alright, so we have some back and forth action
Sweep
going on
NQ.
here. So let me just sit back a little bit and see
Absorption
what's going on.
RTY.
So we went from like a small profit to like a small loss right here. So let's see what's going on with this congestion we're in.
Absorption buyers NQ.
Alright, so we have this sideways movement. We're looking like we're creating support. We have big buying coming in here. We have an indecision candle right here.
Iceberg RTY
And
Thunder
another
Flurry.
selling wick.
Absorption
So let's see if
RTY. Sweep
lower VWAP
NQ.
here at
Absorption buyers
49.28
NQ.
is going to create support.
Sweep NQ. Sweep ES. Absorption buyers ES. Absorption buyers NQ. NQ stop run. Absorption buyers
Order
NQ.
fill. Order filled.
Sweep
Alright, so
NQ.
taking a buy right there with the buying coming in. Right, so we basically tested this level here at 49.30.
Absorption buyers NQ. ES stop run.
So we're pushing up on VWAP again. So let's see if they could push out of this level now.
Sweep NQ. Absorption buyers NQ.
Right, so we're pushing above. We're just at
Iceberg
VWAP right
RTY
now.
Thunder Flurry.
We're still getting some rejection off of this VWAP on Bookmap here. But on TradingView, that's not like my VWAP is all the way up here at 49.33. So keeping an eye on that. But Bookmap is showing like their
stop
VWAP is
run.
getting some rejection. So let's see if we could push above this level here at 49.35.
Sweep NQ. Absorption buyers NQ.
Yeah, the
stop
buyers
run.
are coming in. And I'm gonna add to my position.
Sweep RTY.
Let's see.
RTY stop
Order
run.
filled.
So add
Order
into my
filled.
position right
RTY.
there. Let's see, we have R3 and the open. The open ETH open is at 49.52.75. R3 is at 49.53.75.
Absorption sellers ES.
We're still getting this pullback here, man. Let's see, I'm gonna hold on though because this reversal pattern here, we're getting this, I call this like my bowling green pattern, and it's kind of correlating with the subway system on the Manhattan lower Manhattan area.
Absorption
where we have
RTY. Sweep
the 6
NQ.
line, but I'm gonna show you
stop
the
run.
map so you can see
NQ
how it
Iceberg
looks
Thunder
like.
Flurry.
The same
Absorption
thing
buyers
as these
NQ.
VWAP bands.
stop run. NQ stop run. Sweep NQ. Stop run. Absorption sellers ES. Sweep ES.
Alright, so we're above VWAP right now. I think we're coming back
Sweep
to test
NQ.
VWAP.
Absorption buyers
Let's see if we
NQ.
get some support there. Might get a little shake out below VWAP, take out some stops.
YM Iceberg Thunder
Hopefully
Flurry.
not my stop, which is at 49.30.25.
YM Iceberg Thunder Flurry. Absorption sellers NQ. Sweep RTY. Absorption RTY. Iceberg RTY Thunder
no, the
Flurry.
selling pressure is kind of tricky
Absorption
here this
sellers
morning
NQ.
for this
Sweep
reversal.
NQ.
But
Order
I'm gonna add
submitted.
to my
Order
position
submitted.
right here.
Order filled.
Sweep RTY.
Right, so they came below VWAP, took out some stops, and let's see if we're gonna get some continuation
Sweep
to the
NQ.
upside.
Absorption sellers NQ.
We have liquidity here supporting price around 49.32.
Sweep
So
ES.
let's see
Absorption
here.
sellers ES.
All right, I have some alerts going off. We just hit weekly cam R3 at 49.33. So probably we're getting a bounce off of that. Let me just show you over here. So that's weekly cam R3, that level right there. We're getting a bounce,
Sweep NQ.
a buying
Sweep
wick right
ES.
there. That's a good
Sweep
sign.
NQ. Absorption buyers ES.
And on Bookmap, we're coming back up to Bookmap's VWAP. So we have a nice buying bubble right here. 276 in volume, 276 contracts, and let's see if we could push above VWAP again.
NQ stop
Order
run.
To my
Order
position
filled.
right there.
NQ. Absorption buyers NQ. Sweep NQ. NQ stop run. Absorption buyers NQ. Sweep NQ.
So monthly cam R3 is at 49.40. Right here is monthly cam R3. Let me just show you on the daily chart.
Sweep NQ. Sweep ES. Absorption buyers ES.
Right, so that red line right there on the monthly chart, that's monthly cam R3. So we're pushing up here now. We gotta run into that, and at 49.40,
Sweep
50,
ES.
and let's see how we
Absorption
do up
sellers
there.
ES.
Let's see if we're getting rejection off of that level, or we're gonna break above that level.
NQ stop run. ES stop run. Absorption sellers ES. Sweep ES. YM iceberg thunder flurry.
Getting some nice kind of bull flaggish kind of pattern right here, sloping to the upside.
Sweep NQ.
And I
NQ
like that
stop run.
for
Absorption
if we
buyers
break above
NQ.
this level here.
NQ stop run.
Right.
Order
ES stop
filled.
run.
Order filled.
Absorption buyers ES. ES stop run. Sweep ES. Sweep RTY. Absorption RTY. Absorption buyers
Right,
ES.
so we're getting
Sweep
up to
ES.
monthly cam R3. Let me see
Sweep
what they're gonna
NQ.
do up here at 49.40. It's looking like it's pulling back.
Sweep NQ.
Right, so
Absorption
they
buyers
came back,
NQ.
retested.
NQ stop run. NQ stop run. Absorption buyers ES. Sweep ES. RTY stop run. ES stop run. ES stop run. Absorption
filled.
buyers
Order
Into the
filled.
position here
Sweep
at monthly
NQ.
cam R3.
Absorption buyers ES. Sweep
Bulls
ES.
are looking like they're in
ES stop
control.
run. RTY stop run. Sweep
Alright, we're
ES.
heading up to VWAP
Absorption
here
buyers
on
ES.
Trading View. We're breaking above VWAP a little
ES
bit right
stop
now.
run.
So we
Absorption
got some
buyers
nice
NQ.
buying coming in there.
Sweep NQ. NQ stop run. Absorption
this trade
buyers
is working
ES.
out nicely.
Sweep ES. ES stop run. Absorption buyers NQ. YM iceberg thunder flurry.
So I'm
Absorption
trying to
sellers
target
NQ.
Camarilla R3
NQ
at
stop run. Absorption sellers
49.53.75.
ES. Sweep ES. YM iceberg thunder flurry.
We might come back and test VWAP and push off again. Right now the mid is at
ES stop run.
49.45.
Absorption buyers NQ. Sweep NQ. Sweep NQ. Absorption sellers NQ. Absorption RTY. Sweep RTY. Absorption sellers NQ. Absorption RTY. Iceberg RTY thunder flurry. ES stop run. NQ stop run. NQ stop run. Absorption buyers NQ. Absorption buyers ES. NQ stop run. NQ stop run. ES stop run.
Alright, so it's looking like we're heading up to Camarilla R3. Let's see how Bookmap order flow is going. We up here, nice clusters of buying, not much selling, just some taking profit. Buyers are re-establishing every time we come back and we get this selling here, they're jumping back in.
Sweep NQ.
Breaking levels. We're pulling liquidity here. You can see liquidity is being pulled from 352 on the ask to now it's at
Absorption buyers NQ.
135.
Sweep NQ. Sweep
Big
ES.
bubble coming
Absorption
in there. Volume
buyers
is
ES.
293.
Sweep
Getting a
NQ.
little pullback there
Absorption
again.
buyers ES. Sweep NQ. Sweep NQ.
Right, so trailing my stop up to 49.40.
Absorption buyers NQ. Sweep
a little
ES.
slowdown here
Absorption
in price,
buyers
so
ES.
just securing some profit. Let me look at the book map
Sweep
structure
NQ.
and see if
NQ
that's a good
iceberg
place.
thunder flurry.
49.41.
Absorption sellers NQ. YM iceberg thunder flurry. Sweep NQ. NQ iceberg thunder
Yeah,
flurry.
I think I want to be
Absorption
below
sellers
monthly
ES.
cam artery.
Absorption buyers NQ. Absorption sellers NQ. ES stop run.
Order
Yes,
filled.
stop
So I'm
run.
gonna close my position there, flatten my trade, and I'm gonna
Sweep
wait to
NQ.
see now
Absorption sellers NQ. ES stop
because
run.
we're retesting VWAP.
ES stop run. Absorption sellers ES. Sweep NQ.
Right, so it took profit
RTY
there
stop
at
run.
49,
Sweep
42,
RTY.
75.
NQ stop
That's the
run.
profit on the day. And I'm gonna just kick back and
Absorption
see what's
buyers
going on
NQ.
now.
Sweep NQ. NQ stop run. Sweep ES. Absorption
Alright,
sellers
so if I
ES.
jump into another trade again, I'm gonna start another video. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed the live breakdown.
RTY stop run.
Reading
Stops
order flow on
YM.
bookmap.
ES stop
As you
run.
can see, we broke that
Absorption
level
sellers
right there.
NQ.
Something just told me to exit the position right here, and it's actually just before we broke this structure low right there at let me see, let me just use
Sweep
this.
NQ. NQ stop
Right, so
run.
that was a structure low. I exited right there.
Sweep NQ. Sweep ES. Absorption sellers ES.
Sometimes you gotta rely on your instincts, you know, when things are moving fast, like your subconscious has information that
NQ stop run.
that it feels like instinct. You don't really know exactly why you're exiting the trade or entering
Sweep
the trade,
NQ.
but as you can
Absorption
see,
sellers NQ.
this is the reason right here. Is from looking at the order flow over time, you could see where things
Sweep
are changing.
RTY. Absorption
You know, 'cause
RTY.
I guess we started to have like these sell buttons here, they're taking control, and then there was no buyers coming in right here. Right as we approach this lower high, this higher low, sorry. So it looked like, to me, it looked like they took too much control right here
Sweep
compared to
NQ.
how we were
Absorption
seeing
sellers NQ.
these pullbacks. As you can see, those pullbacks kept buyers kept stepping in. As soon as we pulled back, they stepped in. And also pull back, step in immediately, right? So at this level here, they didn't step in at all, right? So they just let price kind of cascade too much. This was their response right here, which was way too late. Alright, y'all, it's Malak Shalomo, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.